Hi there. We are back again with the second binary puzzle number 2 in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 26th, 2020. Yes, the second binary puzzle will be number 1629. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1 here, no, there, no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then we have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Then, between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1 here, an O, there, an O. Between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here and 1 there, 1. We have now 4 1s in the second row, so the rest are O's. Need to compare? Yeah, need to compare. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Do we have a double 1 here? No. Alright. We have a double O there. Double 1 here? No. Let me check. Check. Where is the needle? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this is one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3 here. O10. Do we have an O10 here? Yeah. Yes. This one and that one. Let me compare. 1 1 empty box. 1 1 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have now 4 O's in the last row, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's in the first row, so the rest are 1s. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's in this column. We have here 4 1s in the last column, so the rest are O's. And then double O, here one, then one. Now we have double one, here O, then O, double O, here one, then one. Between two ones comes an O. Finished in 5 minutes again. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time very soon with the last two tectonics. See you later. Bye bye for now.